गुड इवनिंग जी। तारीख है 30 अक्टूबर, रात के बजे हैं 10 और हम हो गए हैं लाइव। चलिए एक बार फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं मार्केट की एनालिसिस। कैसा था मार्केट? मार्केट ने एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही बिहेव किया जैसे कि कल हमने प्रेडिक्ट किया था। आप निफ्टी के मूवमेंट को देखें तो हमने कल क्या बोला था? हमने आपको ये बोला था कि कल हमने निफ्टी में एक फ्यूचर का लॉट बाय किया है बेस्ड ऑन आर दिस प्रोडिक्शन। मून फेसेस कई दिन से हम बात कर रहे थे कि हम पूर्णिमा का न्यू मून डे का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। ये देखिए, जैसे ही न्यू मून डे आया वैसे मार्केट में ज़बरदस्त बाइंग आई और बाइंग आते ही मार्केट वॉज अप बाई 0.47% निफ्टी फ्यूचर चार्ट। ठीक है। तो अभी मार्केट की गिरने की प्रोपेंसिटी कम हो गई है। नेक्स्ट 15 डेज मार्केट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू मूव इन एन अप ट्रेंड डायरेक्शन। ठीक है। और अगर if it goes in this 15 days period, there is a huge possibility that market may go upward in a रैली फॉर्म में जा सकता है। कल हमने क्या किया था, जो 5 EMA की स्ट्रेटजी है उसको फॉलो करते हुए देखा था। प्लस देखिए यहाँ पे 5 EMA की स्ट्रेटजी अप्लाई हो रही थी, इसके टॉप के ऊपर क्लोज हुआ था 5500, इसलिए हमने फ्यूचर में लॉन्ग किया था विद दिस स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 18991। एंड सी क्या हुआ मार्केट में आज मॉर्निंग में कैप डाउन ओपन हुआ, कैप डाउन नहीं नेगेटिव ओपन हुआ एंड देन बाइंग आई और मार्केट प्लस 0.47 में क्लोज हुआ। ठीक है। तो अगर आप देखें 75 मिनट चार्ट में तो क्या बने दिखेगा आपको, कुछ ऐसा। मार्केट ने ये डिप दिया और वापस से स्ट्रॉन्ग दिया। तो अभी भी अगर आपको मार्केट को कायदे से आप देखें तो मार्केट में ये एक मेजर रेजिस्टेंस जहाँ पर हमने अलर्ट कैंडल लगा रखी है 19321 का। अनलेस मार्केट मूव अबव दिस एंड सस्टेन अबव दिस लेवल ऑफ 19300, sustained rally cannot be expected in the market. But if anybody want to have position in market, better is to अभी आप 75 मिनट चार्ट पे लेकर पोजीशन ले सकते हैं। Suppose you want to make a fresh buy signal, you can take this with this as a stop loss of 1997. If this stop, see the price is moving in a higher high, higher low structure. Every time it is making a higher high, higher high, and it takes a dip, but this dip doesn't breach the previous swing low on the 75 minute chart. It means what? The price has started moving in a higher high structure, isn't it? That is the one opportunity. तो if anybody want to, अगर कल क्या होता है, there is a huge possibility that the price will move upward, कल ऊपर ही जाएगा। ठीक है। लेकिन आपको जिसमें हायर हाई स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, अगर आपको लॉन्ग होना है, you have to keep this as a stop loss of 16%. What is this, Anaya? Why have you come out? Please don't disturb Pranika. मम्मा मुझसे बहुत ही डांटती है। आप अभी भी बाई कर सकते हैं निफ्टी को। एक डिप मिलती है then that will be a more sustainable dip to buy. Just a minute. Yes. अगर इसका चार्ट हम देखें डेली मार्केट एनालिसिस वाला, कहाँ गया ये? इसमें निफ्टी का मूवमेंट देखें, you will find 75 मिनट चार्ट अगर देखें तो कैसे दिखेगा आपको, ऐसा। प्राइस अभी मूविंग एवरेज क्लस्टर के नीचे है। ठीक है। चलिए सेम चीज बैंक निफ्टी में है। बैंक निफ्टी में भी आपको बाइंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली। एक बार 200 मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर सस्टेन करे, यानी 43,400 के लेवल आपको मोटा मोटा 43,400 के ऊपर सस्टेन करे और फिर ऊपर से सस्टेन करे, फिर एक छोटा सा ब्रेकआउट दे मार्केट मूव करने के, दैट विल बी द सस्टेनेबल पॉइंट। और इसके ऊपर जब हो जाएगा 44,000 के ऊपर जैसे मूव करेगा तो हम हाईली बुलिश रहेंगे इसमें। ठीक है, एक बार अपनी पोजिशंस के बाद ध्यान दें। आज हमने एक स्टॉक से एग्जिट किया है भाई, क्योंकि हम मोमेंटम प्लेयर हैं, तो जैसे ही मोमेंटम निकलता है वी एग्जिट दिस स्टॉक। दैट स्टॉक इज टाटा मोटर्स। ठीक है, क्यों एग्जिट किया है? एक तो सुपर ट्रेंड ऑन द वीकली चार्ट, इट हैज बिकम नेगेटिव। ठीक है, सी दिस हैज बिकम नेगेटिव। विल बी स्टॉक जब तक इसका सुपर ट्रेंड पॉजिटिव होता है तभी तक इसमें रहते हैं, जैसे वो नेगेटिव होगा वी जनरली एग्जिट दिस स्टॉक। ठीक है, क्योंकि मार्केट अभी टर्न कर रहा है तो यू विल बी रिक्वायरिंग मोर ऑफ कैश टू डिप्लॉय इट फर्दर। ठीक है, इसलिए हमने इसको एग्जिट करके यहाँ पे देखिए डेली चार्ट में देखेंगे तो इसने मूविंग एवरेज पे रेजिस्टेंस लिया और नीचे स्लिप किया है। इसका मतलब देयर इज अ ह्यूज पॉसिबिलिटी दैट दिस स्टॉक मे गो डाउन एंड मे गेट स्टक इन दिस कंसोलिडेशन जोन। ठीक है, तो जब हमने एग्जिट कर दिया है तो एक काम करते हैं, ये सारे अलर्ट्स को यहाँ से फ्री कर देते हैं। इसके बदले में एक ऊपर अलर्ट लगा देते हैं। चलिए, टाटा मोटर्स को सारे अलर्ट्स हमने फ्री कर दिया है और यस, इसके ऊपर जो हमने बात की है सोलर इंडस्ट्रीज में अपनी पोजीशन को इंक्रीज किया है। सीडीएसएल की बात करें तो सीडीएसएल ने भी अच्छा दिया है, लेकिन आप इसके एमएससीडी को देखें ऑन द डेली चार्ट, इट इज स्टिल नॉट अ बाय, लेकिन इससे मोमेंटम आ रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है। इसका रेडनेस जो है हिस्टोग्राम दैट इज इन ए डिक्रीजिंग ट्रेंड। ठीक है, मैं आपको क्या दिखाना चाह रहा था, ये till the CDSL is below this level, it is in consolidation zone. Once it goes above it and sustain above it, then only you can consider buying this stock. Same you can see in the this weekly chart. Weekly chart में क्या कर रहा है? It is consolidating. It has actually broken its previous swing low को तोड़ दिया था. Now it has gone up. अब इसमें buying position तब बनेगी when it goes above this consolidation zone. ठीक है? But the stock is gaining momentum, gaining strength, but has to be with stock. Second stock is BSE. Yes, we have increased our position in this stock today. क्योंकि हम किस फिलोसफी में काम करते हैं? हम काम करते हैं इस फिलोसफी में कि the stock is an uptrend. एक्चुअली ऐसे स्टॉक में जो कि खरीदने में आपको अनकंफर्टेबल हो, वहीं पैसा बन सकता है। ठीक है, तो we are in an opportunity to let this stock consolidate a bit or may take a dip, but this super trend on the weekly chart doesn't get violated, then that will be the best opportunity to accumulate this stock in a good quantity. ठीक है, but if anybody want to accumulate this at this juncture, definitely risk reward ratio is not that great here, because the profit that you get is not because of the good quality of stock that you purchase. It is actually the level, it is actually the risk reward ratio that gives you the profit. If you want to make this make a fresh entry in this stock, then better you can if you want to make an entry in this stock, then better is to follow the 75-minute chart. See, the stock is consolidating here and it's MACD. On the daily chart, it has lost the momentum. Means what? it may consolidate here for some time, and you can make a fresh entry in this stock. Let it cross its previous swing high of 1917. Once it goes above 1917, you can purchase it. Can you please be quiet? The next stock is Solar Industries. This is one stock we have been talking about since long time. We exited 50% quantity when it broke this daily chart's previous swing low, because it was very much expected that this cross will go down and may retest its moving averages. The same thing happened. The stock broke down. It again broke its previous swing high, previous swing low. Then it bounced back from its 220 period exponential moving average. And in a short period, it is making like क्या कर रहा है ये हेड एंड शोल्डर टाइप स्ट्रक्चर बना के ऊपर मूव करना चाह रहा है. तो we accumulated this stock today somewhere here when it broke this level. Just a bit. This is the previous swing high को उसने तोड़ा. We purchased this stock. ठीक है. And next purchase कब होगा? Next purchase will be the level when it goes above its previous swing high. लेकिन if you look at its this MACD structure, it feels like it is not in a hurry to break its all-time high in way time. बहुत जल्दी नहीं टच करेगा just because इसका MACD अभी भी सिग्नल लाइन के नीचे है. ये तभी ऊपर जाएगा जब इसका MACD सिग्नल लाइन को क्रॉस करेगा. ठीक है. Then is Zomato. If you look at Zomato, yes, this stock has also gained momentum. It is gaining momentum actually, and let's see. Once it start moving in a higher low structure, will increase the quantity. This ATM, it has bounced back from its bottom and has actually closed above its all moving average cluster. So definitely it is gaining strength, but we can make a fresh buy in this stock only when it goes above its previous swing high. Before that, there is no point in adding this stock. Then is ICC Securities. This is the stock that we purchased. If you look at its MACD on the weekly chart, it has actually gone down below its signal line. It means the stock has actually gone into consolidation phase. But we'll be holding this stock till its super trend is positive. Once its super trend becomes negative, we'll exit it completely. We have put in our just first tranche of money in the IC securities. First, we actually buy the stock in a 2 to 3 go first quantity, and when the stock start performing, it gets double. Then we think of adding it in every crossing of previous swing high. The next stock that is in our radar, we have actually put in some testing amount in this stock is this Tata Lexi. We purchased this stock when it cost its previous swing high, but since the Nifty is not in a strong foot, we have not accumulated this stock in a good quantity. We are actually waiting for this stock to cross its previous swing high of 7717. Once it goes above this level, we'll accumulate in a good number. Kalyani, yes, this is one stock that I'm eagerly waiting for it to gain momentum. We've actually put one alert here at the level of 294. Once it goes above it, we'll put on, we'll put in our first tranche of money. Okay. The next stage will add only when its MACD this get in a buying zone. It has actually crossed its signal line, means the stock is losing the momentum. We'll see. LNT. LNT is one stock which has actually lost its momentum and it actually broke its previous swing low and has actually closed below its moving average cluster. If this stock is to lose the momentum, then it will make up this sharp downtrend यहाँ से start करेगा. Will break its previous swing low तो ये बहुत नीचे चला जाएगा. There is no point in. चलिए तो मोटा मोटा हमने सारी पोजीशंस को डिस्कस कर लिया है. एक बार काम करते हैं कि एनालिसिस को देख लेते हैं. एनालिसिस में आप देखेंगे तो निफ्टी माइक्रो कैप it was up today. Small cap is still not that a good recovery. Nifty next 50 it's also mid cap future. This one actually gone into a downtrend. Nifty 500 major market, no sign of recovery yet. Oh my god, if you look at this WTI crude, it has actually broken of this consolidation zone. एक जो छोटा सा सिग्नल बना हुआ है ना, हेड एंड शोल्डर टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है, it actually broke this one and started moving down. Now the next support for this is 81.46. It's 200x moving average. It can be taken as its support. That year's 10-year yield, it is consolidating, not in a hurry to move up. Here's 2-year bond yield, not in a hurry to move up. Similar is the case of DXY, USD INR, and then DXY. Great thing to solve. Nifty Bank. Among all the sectors, you'll see Nifty Realty में आज काफी momentum था. It was up by 2.14%. If you look at the weekly chart price section, you'll see the stock is moving in a higher low structure. Okay, it has actually bounced back from this level of 51578.4. Nifty Infra bounce back is there, but it's still not beyond its danger zone. Nifty Metal, Nifty PSU Bank, they're still below. They're still not beyond the Nifty Auto को देखें तो Nifty Auto क्या कर रहा है? Nifty Auto is also making a slip from its moving average cluster, and this slip is can be of great impact once it goes below its previous swing high of 16,000. एक बार देख लेते हैं कि अर्न पोजीशंस दैट वी शॉर्ट लिस्टेड yesterday. एक बार बजाज साहब की पोजीशन देख लेते हैं. What looks like BSE and CDSL are the stocks that became common with us. Then one stock that did wonders today, that is Awadh Sugar. And this structure actually shows, इसके बारे में कई बार से बात कर रहे थे कि this stock is actually started moving in a high structure. ठीक है, one can buy this stock with this as a stop loss of 685. Very nice. I would like to add this in my portfolio. Tomorrow morning only I will purchase this stock. Cams? No. One should actually exit this stock. If anybody is holding this, one can fundamental can only be the reason to hold this stock because this stock has actually gone below its 200 exponential moving average. So it has actually lost its momentum. Next is Praj Industries. See, the stock is actually still slipped back from its resistance level, which can be more clear. It will be bearish only when it goes below this 501 level. Till the time it is above this level, if you look at the line chart, this 517 is actually the level when you not to add this stock at this juncture, let it cross its previous high. Martha Suzuki, not a great structure. Best agro, one can consider buying this stock. The only criteria is to let this stock break its previous swing high of 11.72. Then is Menon Bearing, Vessel. Click this MACD on the weekly chart. Pranika, please don't disturb. Just have an eye on this weekly chart MACD. This MACD doesn't give me that confidence that this stock is not in a hurry to move up. And if you look at its movement on the weekly chart, see, this is stock was never in a long-term trend. Most of the time it is in consolidation phase. I don't like moves this type of movement. Move in a short range of. And let us see what happened to our yesterday shortlisted stocks. Let us first see the highest Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Yes, this is stock. If you look at its weekly chart, this stock has broken its previous swing high. If you look at its candlestick pattern, you'll see yes, but still these wick upper wick till 1035 there seems to be some resistance, and this thing can easily be seen from its daily chart. Let it cross its previous swing high on the daily chart, then only you can consider it buying any more quantity. Let its MACD also to gain strength and close over its signal line. Then in its credit access coming. See the way the stock is moving on daily chart on a higher structure. It was up by 2.31% today. Canada Bank, good. Alchem Lab in Coal India, Trent, Davy Corp, Master Seamless, Balakrishna, Hudson Agro, Croatia Bank, and the Suzlon Energy. I don't consider this stock Suzlon Energy here because it doesn't move in a fundamental way. Sonata Industries is one stock that we discussed yesterday, and we think this stock may go, but this is the breakout level of Sonata. Till the time it is above this level of 11.21, it is in a buy zone. Let's see what's happening in the. Oh my god, dollar index. See what I was saying. The market is actually reversed from its bottom, a short-term bottom, at least for the period of next 15 days, has actually made. Any major selling can happen only after 15th, 14 to 15th. This 15 days actually for the long players. If you want to play long in the market, this is the time. After 15 days, you should get a little bit cautious and play the price action. Till this 15 days, every dip of Nifty, Banknifty, and the strong stock is buyable. S&P 500 is stock. Yes, it is actually moving in a high low structure. It's still not recovered, but uh, it seems to be moving in a uptrend. See the situation of the all global indices. They are moving. Yes, if you look at the dollar, it's all gold. It has actually started trading above its previous swing high. 2008. It's a good figure. $200, $2,000 futures. Then is this crude? It has broken. USD. Let us look what's happening with this. See what happened with Solana. Today is up by 6.38%. If anybody want to purchase any this Bitcoin, then I would recommend to buy Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. All these have actually gave a breakout and are moving in uptrend. Ethereum, yes, it is also trading above Bitcoin as it has already given a good move since its bottom of 28212, a small dip and start moving up. Once it goes above it will move in a big way. Let us see the sign list. Just sort it in a best performing one. DLF, yes. This stock is moving a higher high structure. Very good structure. Action construction. Yes, 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 yes. One can consider this buying this stock here. See. Action construction equipment is one such stock which one should consider buying it. Just want to see what is the P position of this stock here. Just wait for 2 minutes, please. स्टॉक का पी तो बढ़ा है लेकिन इसका रेवेन्यू भी बढ़ा है, ऑपरेटिंग इनकम बढ़ी है, कैश फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है, बट revenue wise it is not that. P wise you cannot consider this cheap at this juncture. The stock is little bit costly, but if anybody want to play momentum in this stock, then I feel this is the level. Trade, E-Clocks, Himadri Specialty, Amco, not that impressive move. TVS Motor, Tata Coffee, Metropolis, one should exit it. If anybody is holding this Metropolis, as the stock has broken its major support of 200 exponential moving average, please exit it right now. Nestle is good, but the movement in this stock is very lethargic. You cannot expect its spike to move in a hurry. So, yes, Deepak Fertilizers, Birla Soft, Ape Color, Bajaj Finserv, Century Textile, then Avni Supermart. It is still below its trend line. Now it's looking trend line. Bujata is Glasgow Brothers, Shipping Scientific, DLF. The list is up. See, why do I'm not getting excited in adding this stock here? Because if you look at its weekly chart, you'll see the stock has actually moved in the long run since its last breakout in August highs. In last 1 year, the stock has rallied like anything and has not given a considerable, sizable correction in this run again. So from here at this level, you cannot expect the stock to double and triple. It will not be a multiplier. Whatever you buy at this level, its price action is also not that impressive. Its P has actually gone to its all-time high level. So if you want to have a trade in this stock for at least 20 to 30% run up, this setup is good. But you cannot expect buying this stock at this level and getting this stock double in another 15 to 20 days or in 2 to 3 months. It is not possible with this stock here from here. But if you want to play momentum, it is a good time. Then I would like to see our index stocks. Let's sort it in the highest performing basis. Finlex cable. Need not to discuss it. Intellect design is still in a downtrend. Dani Clean, nothing to talk about. KPIT. Then is RSL Gatic. This stock is actually again gaining momentum from here, from its bottom. But I have seen this stock, it is not moving in a good momentum way, and it moves in a highly unpredictable. You have to buy this stock and leave it in a portfolio like this. DLF, combine the prices. Tata, Tata Communication. This is a good stock. Tata Communication is actually this is having this license of this actually manufacturing Apple phones in India. Tata Communication, KPR now. It's a good structure. If you this is PSC already in our portfolio. Except the if you go through all these stocks, you'll find most of the structures they're still not in a buying zone. अभी structures वैसे इतने strong नहीं हुए that you get convinced putting in money at this juncture. Only good stock that you're holding in a portfolio, it's time to add on them at this point. Don't consider it buying every time again and again. Suppose you want to add Electra Green. Just have a look what has happened with this stock here. This Electra Green, the stock is up today by 4%, but it's still not beyond its tiny zone. For the tiny zone, the stock has to go and sustain on top its castle level. Over here at Radical. This is also another slow moving stock. I won't consider it buying it again. In the first run up, this stock got double. I was holding this stock since level of 300 and sold it somewhere when it started falling, and I sold it around 1100 or 1150. From that, the stock went down to the 600 or 700 level and actually bounced back again. But during this journey, I found these stocks are very slow moving and one should not get its money stuck in such slow moving stock, because in the long run you'll find If you scan the NSE 500 stocks, you'll find there are a number of stocks which are in a very good structure, and you can consider putting in your money in a safe way. Okay, this IRCTC. See, this stock is consolidating like anything, man. Reading them. JSW, JSW Energy, TCI Express, Tata Elxsi already in our radar, Canara Bank, Alexis 500. Look at the structure of this stock. Please exit the stocks which have lost the momentum. There is no point. We have seen the fate of such high name, good names. See, this Bharat Forge has moved like anything since its breakout of its level of arts thus. One side it moved up to this 1133 level, but once it start moving downtrend and start moving up and broke its previous swing low, we exited completely. There's no looking back from here. And it's this IX. Please exit the stocks which have lost the momentum on the weekly chart basis. Super weekly chart basis structure to follow for your exit strategy. Lakshmi Organic, Coal India. And for making a good profit, it is very important to purchase a stock with a good risk reward ratio. There's no point in adding in a stock when the stock has already run up like 2 to 22, 230% because the future earnings of the stock have actually has already got this scare of Women's India. Sona Bello, Sheila, look at this HL. You'll find it has actually started taking its previous symbol. But I used to exit this stock here. See, this stock is down by 1%. We discussed this yesterday also in our scan, NSE 500 scan. Cochin Shipyard, HL, they have actually started moving in downtrend. You can see the shape of this Cochin Shipyard also. Cochin Shipyard. See, the stock today this stock was down by 2.87%, 85%. I told it yesterday only. This stock, as the stock has actually broken its previous swing low on the weekly chart and is at its support level and its resistance level. There's every possibility that this stock slips from here. Same thing happened. Garware Fibers, Century Textiles, CRB Industries, Pras, Data Pattern. Look at the way Data Pattern moved. When it was moving upward, it was following the high structure. It never happened the stock that broke its previous swing low. But when it started moving in a downtrend, it broke this double head and shoulder type of a structure and broke its previous swing low. Since this stock is moving in a downward trend. Geo Financial Services. Next this Amtra Technologies. Dixon Technologies. Yes. This was all for today. We analyzed all the stocks, all the probable things that we could discuss today. Let's see how it turned out tomorrow. But I feel it is a time to get bullish in the stock market. What are the money that you, what are the profit that you got at the top? This is the right time to deploy it. इन स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टॉक ओनली। ठीक है, मिलते हैं कल के वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए